What this ends up doing for me is taking hours of manual wordsmithing and turning it into a 2-minute pipeline. You see, the biggest mistake people make when applying for work is sending out a generic resume that just sits in a digital pile. It doesn't speak the language of the job description. It doesn't highlight the specific skills the hiring manager is actually looking for. So what I did was build a tool that bridges that gap. I mean, look at the alternative. You spend 30 minutes rewriting your summary, another 20 minutes tweaking your skills, and by the time you're done, you're tired and you've only applied to one job. That is not how you win. You need a system that does the heavy lifting for you. Most people think the solution is just to copy-paste their resume into a web-based form and hope for the best. But then you're stuck with their formatting, their limitations, and their branding. I wanted something that lived on my machine, worked offline, and gave me total control over the final PDF. All right, so right here, I am going to run through it live with something someone would actually use. I am typing Content Marketing Specialist into the job title field. Next, I am pasting my experience into the extracted source text box. I am putting in Casey Miller, my contact info, my summary, and my experience as a tool builder. Then I am taking the actual job description from the posting and pasting that into the job description field. Now, hit the Build Tailored Resume button. Give it a second. It is using an AI model to analyze that job description and map it to my actual history. And right here, that is your output. Look at these result rows. First, the job title is locked in as Content Marketing Specialist. Second, the candidate is confirmed as Casey Miller. Third, the export file is generated as content_marketing_specialist_Casey_Miller.pdf. This is the file you actually send out, but look at the content changes. The summary now reads, builds free Python desktop tools for creators, aligned toward content, creator, design, and look at the skills section. PDF export, Python cursor, Gemini tkinner. It pulled the exact keywords the job posting wanted and mapped them to my real experience. That is how you get past the initial filter. Why does this matter for you? Because time is money. If you are applying to 10 jobs a week, you cannot spend an hour on every single resume. You will burn out. With this tool, you spend your time on the interview prep, not the formatting. You get the resume done, you export it, and you move on to the next one. It is all about efficiency. Now, I want to talk about how this actually exists on your machine. This is a small Python desktop app. I built it in Cursor, which is my favorite AI code editor. It is a free Python desktop tool that you can download right now from CaseyBuildsIt.com. Just head over to the Files or Free Tools section of the site. I have also included the build prompt in the download, so if you want to change how the PDF looks, or if you want to tweak the system prompt to favor different keywords, you can just open that prompt in Cursor or any AI tool you use and modify it however you like. You guys know I prefer owning my own workflow. I don't want to rely on some subscription service that might change its terms or start charging me for basic exports. By building this in Python with a clean interface, I have a tool that works every single time I need it. It is simple, it is fast, and it keeps my data local. So go grab the tool from CaseyBuildsIt.com. Get your resume pipeline running and stop wasting time on manual edits. It is a total game changer for your productivity.